So I'm going to record the screen. Okay, so IP addressing is already configured on this. You can check with show IP root, and on second router you can check with show IP root, enable show IP root. Okay, done. So already we have configured the IP address. Now, so you want to configure RIP first because RIP is the MTA topic. Okay. So R1 has two directed network, 10 and 40. What do you have to use? Router RIP. Okay. Network N000, network 40000, version 2, no auto summary. I'm using tab to show history. If you need these commands, I will copy this command on Notepad. Okay. For router 1, you have used this command. For router 2, you want to use some commands. For router 3, you want to use some commands. So all this configuration in the configuration mode. If you want to save, then do right. But I don't want to save it. Okay. Now on router number 2, 20, 40, and 50 are the direct network. Router RIP, network 20000, network 40000, network 50000. Version 2, no auto summary. Do show history. So this is the command that I have used on router number 2. Now on the next router, router RIP. Musa, it is easy. Yeah. It is easier than static routing because we have to just write router RIP and all the direct network. 30 and 50 are the direct network. So we can easily type this version 2 and no auto summary. Do show history for copying the command. Done. Exit, you can type exit also. After this exit, it's up to you. I'm going to send this in your WhatsApp group, video as well as your test. So now you will use show IP root here. You can see yesterday we were doing static routing, so root was showing with the origin code S. S stands for static, but today we have configured RIP, so that's why it is showing with R, and AD value is 120, and with AD value you can see the value Y1, Y2, Y1. Its meaning is 20000 is just after 1 hop, 30000 is after 2 hop. Okay. Now if you want to check the ping, desktop command prompt ping 30001. First packet should be failed because of searching ARP entries. Okay, and after that pinging is there. You can use also this AD value. If you want to change the AD value, the command is just, but we have only one path only here. If you want to change AD value, router RIP, command is distance question mark 100. If you enter this, then AD value is changed for all the path. If you want to specify the route, question mark 40000. IP source address is 40001 and wildcard is for 0003. But inconsistent address. Oh, network ID. Okay. Now show IP route.
Wildcard है पर reach नहीं पाता.
डिस्टेंस चेंज करने के लिए डाला ना वो, बट ये वैसे इसकी कोडिंग के अंदर तो कुछ नहीं है. You want to ask about like how to change the AD value. Okay, but I will change your AD value concept and this all the commands later. This topic is only for RIP configuration. So you understand this?